everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, as you can see, I have got some kitchen roll here on the surface, which can only mean one thing. I'm going to be playing with some acrylic. I recently bought myself some SAVILAND acrylic from Amazon on Amazon Prime Day. This is the box it come in. This is the fluorescent neon 10-piece collection from SAVILAND. This kit is £19.99 on the Amazon.uk website, which works out about £2 for one pot of acrylic, which ain't too bad at all. I really like SAVILAND products. I always have liked their products, and I've just been wanting a range of just standard plain colours because I've got a few like glittery acrylics, and I've got a couple of like base colours. I have got a couple of like normal colours too, but I just wanted more of a selection so I have more to play with. I don't own a lot of acrylic at all. It's not something I ever really buy myself because it can be quite expensive, but as soon as it is Prime Day, I got a couple of quid off. I decided to treat myself and grab myself a kit. I'm not gonna lie, I did think the pots were gonna be bigger than what they were, but it's my fault. I didn't read the description. I looked at the picture and got all excited and bought it and went ahead. So this is the colours that are in this collection. As you can see, they are quite bright. They are 0.35 ounce pots, which I think is about 10 grams. So they're not super tiny, but they're not overly big either. But I think for the price they are absolutely fine. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be swatching them all, seeing what they're like, seeing how well they work, and yeah, just generally putting them to a test. But before I do, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time that I upload. And other than that, let's get started. So I don't have any Monument from SAVILAND, so I'm just going to use my Neo Nails Max Adhesion acrylic liquid. And then I'm also just going to be using my Love by CJP brush. I absolutely love this brush. I've had this brush for 2, maybe 3 years now. Probably coming up to about 3 years now I've had this brush. It was expensive. It did cost me about £30, but well worth it. It's a really nice brush. I have also just gone in and given my swatch sticks a layer of base coat. And I'm going to start off by going in with the lemon yellow. Very intrigued about this one. They're all sealed on top, which we like. Just look how bright that looks. Doesn't it look amazing? Can't wait to swatch all these. Okay, so here we go. It's been a long while since I have done anything with any acrylic at all. But I'm very excited to have some new acrylic. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a bit funny as well, by the way. And excuse my crappy application. Like I said, it has been a while since I have used any acrylic. Half of that is simply just because I haven't really had a lot of colours at all. Plus also the smell of Monument. I keep meaning to get myself some of the Glitterbell's Odorless Monument. I just need to take the plunge. It is expensive, but I feel like it would be totally worth it. Look how bright that is. Such a gorgeous colour. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the orange. So they really are proper fluorescent as well, aren't they? These are going to be so good for the summer. I love all my bright colours anyway. I've got a couple of pastel colours. I've got some from MVP, and Sarah from Humpkins Nail Station sent me some Model 1s acrylic as well. But otherwise, pretty much all my acrylic is glittery, sparkly acrylic. I've got a clear and like a base colour from Neo Nails. But yeah, like I said, it's just something I can really spend my money on. As much as I'd love to, but acrylic can be so expensive. I wish I could go on like Glitterbell's or Neo Nails or somewhere like that and just spend a load of money and get loads of different colours, but I just really haven't got that sort of money to be spending. But yeah, that is that one. It's so pretty. I really love that. Next up we have got the pink one, which is called Rose Bengal. I must admit though, I do hate these silly little pots of acrylic, and I hate acrylic in baggies as well. Like, I like nice big pots. but I always just tend to tip my pots on the side like that using the lid to sort of hold them in, because I just find it a bit easier to pick up a bead that way. I was so out of practice with acrylic. I can't even remember last time I played with any acrylic. It has been a very, very, very long time. But these are really, really, really nice by the seams of it. One more bead in. There we go. They are such nice colours, they really are. Next up we have got one of the purples, which is grape purple. Like, look how incredible that looks. That is such a stunning colour. So, so, so nice. It's proper like Cadbury purple, that is. Yeah, I think that is my favourite one so far. That's such a lovely colour. I really, really, really like that. Yeah, that is so, 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 so beautiful. I really like that one. Next up we have got grass green. It'd be cool, wouldn't it, if actual grass was really that colour, like proper fluorescent green. That would be awesome. It does look so nice, this one. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. That does actually look a bit more like a grass green colour. I really like that. Okay, so that was like all the fluorescent ones. These next ones are a lot more sort of toned down. So we've got peach pink here, which looks like it's going to be quite a nice nude colour. And the nude's definitely something I need more of acrylic wise as well, because I literally only have one. I can't remember what it's called now. But it's one of the base colours from Neo Nails. This very much looks like strawberry milkshake. Literally resembles the colour of strawberry milkshake down to the T. But it is a really, really nice colour. Definitely not complaining. It's just like a cute little baby pink. I've just spilled so much acrylic powder out of the tub, because I've got it on the tilt there. Next we have got sky blue. This looks like it's going to be a gorgeous colour. That looks beautiful. See, with acrylic powders you can never really tell exactly what the colour's going to be like, unless they're like really bold. But I find with like these sort of more pastel shades, you never really know until it's on the monomer. Once you got some monomer in there, you sort of get the true colour. But as a powder, they tend to be a lot lighter than what they really are going to be. My only issue there is, can you sort of see on the edge there, where you can see straight through? There is acrylic there, but it's just clear acrylic. So I feel like I need to give these a better mix in. Because, yeah, there is acrylic on there. There is acrylic there meeting up to the sidewalls of the swatch stick. But it's just where it's not been mixed very well. Okay, and then we have got violet. And it very much looks like a Parma violet sort of colour. I'll try not to put the pot on its side this time, because it's just not working out very well in my favour. Okay. Yeah, this looks more like how the first purple looked in its pot. Now that it's wet, if that makes sense. But it is really nice. Doesn't really resemble a Parma violet colour anymore. But again, just with that colour there, I just think I need to mix like the acrylic up in the actual tub before diving in, because I don't think it's quite mixed in properly there. You sort of get the clear acrylic showing through. Okay, and then we have got a pearl white, which I'm really excited for. That definitely does look like a really nice white. That really is like white. So yeah, that is a really, really nice white. I don't think I actually have a white acrylic, so really happy about that. Really nice. Okay, and then last, but certainly not least, we have cool black. I'm hoping this will be really good, because I bought a black off AliExpress ages ago that's really, really, really horrible. So I'm really hoping this will be a nice black. Looks good. Yeah. I like it. It's nice. Really nice. That is really true black, isn't it? You just have to ignore my absolutely awful swatches, that's all. But otherwise, yeah, they're really nice colours. So there we go, that is all the colours all swatched. It's a really beautiful collection. Literally the only thing I can pick at a little bit is that maybe I need to mix up the pots a little bit more before using them, because you can see some clear acrylic in there. Even though, like, you can see there was acrylic there, it was just clear because there was no pigment there. But otherwise they are really nice opaque colours, and I'm really happy with them. For the price, I don't really think I can complain at all. And it just gives me a few more options of colours to pick from now, which I'm really excited about. So as for the general acrylic, it's absolutely fine to work with, absolutely no problem. Like, I'm not the best at acrylic. I managed to pick up beads perfectly fine, it went on the nail perfectly fine, and it all seemed good. Really can't complain at all. I would have liked to have had bigger pots, but like I said, acrylic's not cheap, so £2 a pot for a 10g pot is a good price. And I might end up buying bigger ones if I can get bigger ones in the future, if I find myself using these quite frequently. But anyways, I will link this kit in the description box. They do also sell a couple of other different kits. They've got one that's sort of got more sort of deeper, darker tones. They've got one that's got pastel tones. They have a couple of different sections there, so I will link those in the description box if you'd like to check them out for yourself. But it does seem like really nice acrylic, and there's really beautiful colours in this collection. But anyways, I hope you have all enjoyed. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!